If you've ever wanted to watch a video faster on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to speed up a video on Xcom or Twitter in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to save time, catch up on content faster, or rewatch a clip without sitting through it at normal speed. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the post that contains the video you want to watch. Once the video loads, press play so it starts running on the screen. Now look for the gear icon or the settings menu on the video player. This is usually where X hides the playback options. Click on that gear icon to open the video settings. Inside the menu, you should see an option called Playback Speed. Click on Playback Speed and you'll see a list of different speed choices. From here, just select the speed you want, like 1.25x, 15x, or 2x, depending on how fast you want the video to play. As soon as you pick your preferred option, the video will immediately start playing at that speed. That means you can watch the clip much faster without missing the important parts. If you want to slow it back down later, just go back into the same settings menu and choose a lower speed or return it to normal. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference if you watch a lot of videos on X and want to move through content more efficiently. So to recap, open the video, press play, click the gear icon, choose playback speed, and select your preferred speed option. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial saved you some time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more short and helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.